So welcome to my channel. So today we are going to talk about how to increase this speed to 90 plus. Can you imagine? Can you do that for your website? My answer is yes. You can do that for your website if you want. So if you want that, your speed going to be 90 plus. So make sure you watch the complete video so you get all the things which I am going to tell you to do for your website. This is not going to be a video which have to 1 hour to fix your every problem or the everything on your website. In this video we are complete our score to 90 plus in just 6 minutes. So watch this 6 minutes and you get result for your website. So let's start. So over here we are going to use this website. A link you get below or the upper of this video. So whenever you come over here, when you come on this website, you get this page. So click on start free trial. Over here you need to provide some information about your website, like your website name, your email and your password, and region where your business is located. After that, create your account. This is not a fake website, this is the certified publishing partner of Google. So don't worry, this is not a fake site and I am never make videos on the fake sites. Okay, so let's go. So after that, when you create your account, you need to integrate your domain to this website. So how you can do that? So go into settings. After, scroll down and you get here Cloudflare. So you need to integrate your Cloudflare with this website. If you don't have Cloudflare, then watch my other videos. You get Cloudflare information and how you can connect your Cloudflare account with your website. So today I'm not going to teach you how you can connect your website with Cloudflare. So now after integrate your Cloudflare, in 5 to 6 hours these things are completed, and after that go into speed if you want to increase your website speed. Okay, and after that make sure you tick all these things, and after click on create version and use the experimental. Okay, I am not recommend you to recommend it. I recommend you to experimental version. This version is help you to load your site very fast. If you use this, according to me, it's not faster than experimental version. So make sure you use this. After that, click on next. So your version is created. After that, click on active and click on confirm. It's take 15 minutes to complete activate on your website. Right now these things are not take any time because I done this process. I just show you. Okay, so let's check our website speed again. Right now is 34. Can you imagine how it is? Make sure comment below your website speed. Okay, let's analyze. I am waiting for your comments. Okay, so we get 70. Okay, and in desktop we get 87. So now we are going to clear caches of our website and reanalyze it. see the speed of our website in mobile. I'm not talking about the desktop, I'm talking about mobile. The 97 score in mobile, and in desktop we get the 100% score. Our site is completely optimized for the website and mobile version. In mobile version we get 97 score. It's not possible by doing all the steps. This website is help you to do all the stuff in 15 minutes. So make sure you visit this website. The link is given below or given the upper side of the video. Okay. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and make sure you subscribe or follow my Facebook page.